Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I have 3 things that I wanted to talk to you. The first one is about the Japan Up magazine. As I talked in the other video, now my recipes are available on Japan Up magazine every month. However, the magazine is only available in Los Angeles area, so what I decided to do is I decided to make a printable data so that you can print it out on your postcard to make a recipe card, or maybe you can print it out and ask your mom or friends to make it for you. The data is always available on my blog, so I hope you can visit and get it. And the second thing I wanted to talk about is about how you can request me the recipe. You can always write in the comments field of any video. You can like the video and write in the comments field so that I can check it on my control panel on YouTube. ちょっとやめて。And the very last thing, the third thing I wanted to talk about is please tap on the bell icon of my channel. Very simple reason is only 2% of my subscribers are getting the notification because Japanese cooking is not that popular on the net. And there aren't many people uploading the Japanese cooking video, so it is not counted as an interest of people. So you are getting less chance of receiving any Japanese cooking related videos unless you watch it every day. So this is why I am asking you to tap on the bell icon. In this way you will never miss any of my new videos. I was going to talk about this earlier, but since I was busy with my kids, I didn't even have chance to talk about this till now. So I'm finally talking about this. Please tap on the bell icon. I know only few people are watching this video as well, so I don't know if it is effective to talk about this now on this video, but YouTube suggested me to make at least one video to talk about this to my viewers. I'm so happy to get to know you. I love my viewers and I love YouTube and I love creating videos.
Yes.
I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.